customers who have just joined us, welcome on board. Qatar Airways, a member of the One World Alliance. After you have found your seat, please place your hand luggage in the overhead zone. Cabin crew, all customers on board. When the cabin lights are dim, and we ask that you keep your valuables with you at all times. Please let us know if there's anything that we can do to make your flight more comfortable. Thank you and enjoy your flight with Qatar Airways. All customers have now boarded in this aircraft is bound for Bangkok. Ground staff, it is now time to disembark the aircraft.
To help with the final preparations for takeoff, please ensure your seat is in the fully upright position, your window shade is open or set to the clear position, your tray table and footrest are stowed, and your seatbelt is fastened.
This is the captain, cabin crew. Doors for departure and cross check, please.